Hi, Janelle Schaefer here with Sheep Hill Herbs. I'm so happy you found me. I'm an herbalist, and today's video I'm going to show you how to make an ointment with infused oil and beeswax and some essential oils. So I had some calendula oil ready, and I am putting it together, melting the beeswax, and I'm going to pour it into my containers so that I have a really nice ointment for soothing skin. So here we go. So this is just my composted calendula petals. They are so beautiful. I had a really nice quality calendula, which is pot marigold, also called that, and I just put the composted material over here. And then what I have is 1.5 cups of oil that I have measured into my measuring cup. This was my jar where I had the oil and I labeled it, and I put this on my windowsill. I'll just go over here. So there's another one, that's lavender. That is sitting right now. All right, then okay, so then I have set out my containers to pour this when the beeswax has melted. So I have the larger 2-ounce containers over here, and then I have smaller 1-ounce containers, which these are the lids, here are the containers, which I'm going to use for gifts. And I have my beeswax, which my friend made. She has beehives, and she put the beeswax into this cute little mold. So I actually cut up the beeswax with a knife, and I used, here's a 1/4 cup. It was over a 1/4 cup. So pretty much for every 1.5 cups infused oil, I use one of these bars, which is a 1/4 cup and another 1/2 of a 1/4 cup. So I just melted my beeswax, and I should have filmed it, but I got distracted. So I put the chopped up square in my pot, and I put it on low. And after about 5 minutes, the beeswax was melted into a liquid. And then I poured my calendula oil into the beeswax, and it looks like it curdles because it's not warm enough yet. So then I just let it sit on super low, and I stir it slightly, and then it melts together. So now this is the melted beeswax with the calendula oil, and I'm going to ladle it into my containers. So I like to just use a measuring cup with a lip, and I just pour it in, and I leave like a little lip. I don't go all the way to the top, and you can see I'm pouring it, and it's going to almost start to harden because this is cold right away. And I am dripping a little bit, so I'm going to have to clean that up then when I'm finished. And I will be adding essential oils, but I do not add them until it has cooled down a little bit more. So just maybe in like another minute. Okay, so I have my ointment poured out into my containers, and it's time to add the essential oil before it gets too hard. And I'm using Star West Lavender, which I like a lot. So when you hold it upside down, it seems like you have to hold it for a while till it starts to drip. There, 1, 2. So I'm going to put 2 in the small, and I'm going to put 4 in the 2-ounce size. And then I'm going to put the lids on right away to let it cool with the lid. So here is my finished ointment right there. That is my calendula ointment, where I'm using these flowers infused in olive oil I probably infused them for a whole month before I just strained them and turned it into the ointment with beeswax and some lavender oil. And they are also called marigolds, pot marigold. and it smells wonderful, and it's really nourishing and soothing for the skin. And I have it in my Etsy store called Marigold Me Ointment. So thanks for coming.